This is our weekend. Alright. We watched movies. And music. Whatever. We ate. So disgusting.
But
Like, see. That's salad from last night. This is the bed that we slept on. I had no clue she was sleeping next to me. Watch my bed fall. You cannot get up. Alright, watch. Do it, Christina.
What side?
This side. It goes up. Look. Oh, the popcorn's in the way.
Oh! What's in the way?
The popcorn.
Oh.
Watch it go up. It is so cheap. Look. Watch.
She's dead.
Alright, now do it. Hold on. You see how far it is from the ground?
Oh my god.
That's pathetic.
Was that pathetic?
No, that's fine. Don't you break my bed.